How a man can maintain emotional stability, remaining non-reactive, even when faced with external competition or emotional volatility from a partner. Mastering non-reactivity, the shield of emotional stability. Navigating volatility through the red light phase. To maintain emotional stability when faced with external competition or a partner's emotional volatility, you must understand that these triggers are signals of the hard red light or even the blackout phase. When a partner becomes cold, asks for space, or shows signs of pulling away, your instinct might be to chase, argue, or try harder to fix the feeling. However, according to the certain phases of the framework, this is actually a test of your emotional stability. To master this, you must apply the logic used in the hard red light and blackout phase. Instead of reacting with heavy emotional investment, such as begging, arguing, or sending long messages, you respond with calm dignity and space. This prevents you from losing your sense of self and actually triggers her curiosity and respect. Step-by-step guide to maintaining non-reactivity. Step 1. Recognize the signal. If she becomes cold, pulls away, or shows interest in someone else, recognize that this is a shift toward the hard red light phase. Do not panic or view it as a reason to increase your effort immediately. Step 2. Implement the strategic pullback. When she shows coldness, stop initiating contact for a short period. Give her the genuine space she is asking for or implicitly signaling. This prevents you from appearing needy or desperate. Step 3. Focus on your own life centricity. Instead of focusing all your energy on her mood or the competitor, redirect that energy back into your own personal growth, hobbies, and goals. This builds self-respect and independence. Step 4. Respond with calm dignity. If she reaches out or tests you, respond politely but briefly. Do not jump back into full intensity immediately. Wait for genuine effort, such as emotional openness or vulnerability, before returning to a high level of connection. The biggest mistake, the emotional chase. The absolute biggest mistake men make when facing volatility or competition is the emotional chase. When a partner pulls away, the natural instinct is to increase your effort, like sending more texts, asking what is wrong, or trying to convince her of your value. This is a mistake because it creates pressure, which causes even more withdrawal. Chasing or arguing during a period of volatility actually reduces attraction and makes you appear like you lack emotional stability. You are essentially trying to force an emotional connection that needs space to breathe. Personal advice and golden rules. My best personal advice: your value is not determined by her current mood or the presence of a competitor. A man who is easily shaken by external changes is a man who has lost his internal center. Build a life that you are proud of, regardless of whether she is currently in a green light or red light phase. The golden rule of silence. Silence is your greatest tool. When things get loud, such as arguments, or cold, such as withdrawal, your ability to remain quiet and calm communicates more than any words ever could. Silence communicates self-respect. The simple formula for stability: volatility plus chasing equals a loss of power. Volatility plus calmness or space equals rebuilt attraction. The key truth: you cannot control her emotions or the competition, but you have absolute control over your own reaction. Once you master your reaction, you master the relationship. Thank you for using the Ultimate Edition of Love Map. Make sure to like and subscribe our Love Map YouTube channel so you will know what the latest update on this powerful AI model